welcome to this channel. And for this short tutorial, I'll show you a new method which you can use to whitelist your SIM card from being replaced by fraudsters. This is a new method which Safaricom has introduced due to outcries by ex-customers, where many Safaricom customers have been frauded by fraudsters, where their SIM cards have been swiped without their intentions, whereby Safaricom has introduced a shortcut which you can use to whitelist these card replacements, whereby to whitelist you have to dial star 100 star 100 hash. Using your Safaricom line, you tap OK. Yeah, you can see your number can now only be replaced by visiting the nearest Safaricom shop. This is the shortcut where now no one can replace your SIM card without your consent. This shortcut is just for whitelisting your SIM card swapping, where it cannot be done by any agents. You only be required to visit the nearest Safaricom shop for your SIM card replacement. Thank you so much.